for this thing to explode. Because it's nuts. Alright. Have you got rounds in it? And do you know how to manipulate it?
Oh yeah, this thing is like dead on, man.
The only thing I'm worried about is...
Nice.
That's fun.